Welcome to PerfectMIND using the HTML editor. You're going to use the editor in several places. 1 is on your pages, 2 is in your lounge when you're working with your blogs, and 3 you'll use it in your emails as well. The more familiar you are with it, the better you're going to be able to design, and probably the more leads you're going to get with an attractive looking website. I'm going to start here by clicking on Edit. You're going to have 2 options. The top box is going to be used for the main page, and the second box is going to be used for your mobile site. I'd also recommend designing a mobile site, as many sites are viewed via mobile devices now. Next, there are basic options up here. It's just like working with Microsoft Word, OpenOffice, or Pages. You'll also see additional options here. I'll describe a few of them. If you want to view full screen, click on the little monitor. If you want to go back, click on it again to return to the normal size. You'll also be able to embed pictures, movies, flash files, even documents. I'm going to first show you how to embed a picture. Click on the picture icon. It's going to open you up to a file management area. You can add new folders, such as I have My Images and Marketing. You can delete files. You can even upload more files. If we click on Upload, we can click on the open space, or we can click on Select to pick a file from our hard drive. You can add more than just 3 files at a time by clicking on Add. You can also overwrite files. So if you have to put in a file that maybe you spruced up a bit, you could check off the Overwrite File button, and if it's got the exact same name, it will automatically replace it. Lastly, click on Upload to upload all your pictures. I've already uploaded 2. Let's click on the first one. So I can zoom in or zoom out of the kangaroo picture. I have a couple other options here, but mostly I want to work with properties. I can set the height and width, colors, borders, alignment, and more. Once I'm done selecting what I want to see, I click on Insert. If I want to drag and drop the corners to resize, I can do that as well. I can always click on the picture and click on the icon again to get the properties, or I can use the handy menu down here at the bottom. If I want to link to a picture, I just have to make sure I click on it and then click on the little world with the chain link. If I want to link to text, same idea. I could type in my Click Here button, maybe it goes to my registration page, highlight it, and then click on the little world with the chain link. I can do hyperlinks, anchors, as well as email. Target allows me to have it open up in another window if I want. Once I'm done setting this up, I can press OK. Another thing that's very good to work with is tables. Tables will help you align your images as well as your text. I can make a new table by clicking on the New Table option up here at the top. I can put in some columns, some rows. I can make the alignment. I can put in cell padding. So cell padding is how close are my words to the border of the cell. I also have cell spacing. How close are my cells to other cells? And I can even put in a border. If I'd like some more options, I can click on All Properties. I can set my height and width. I can go to Table Design, stretch out my columns and rows. I can also click on Cell Properties, so I can set how wide or high the cell is, even their alignment. If I want to do more than one cell at a time, I can hold down Control or Command and select the cells I need to use. Once I'm done, I can click on OK. One thing I like to do always is set the width to 100%. This means that the table is going to fit on all screens. Let's go with OK. When I start to type in my cell, you'll see it moves around. If I want to constrain the proportions of my cell, I can use the menu down below, or I can right-click and go to Cell Properties. I can even go to Table Properties if I need to change the table. If I want to add in more rows or more columns, you'll see some options in here. Very simple, so let me constrain this cell for you. Click on it, I'll go to width, type in 250, hit enter, done, right before your eyes. You're also going to have some options if we go back to cell properties to put in background colors as well as background images. The background image area will take you right to your file manager. Once you're done completing your page, click on the little box, click Save, and you'll have a super cool looking website that you can use to market your business.